Good morning. Welcome back to my channel. If you missed the very first video in this series, go back. I'll tag it up here. It's the introduction of the $7 Pantry Challenge. This is how it works. For the next 7 weeks, I'm going to take $7 and go to the store and buy $7 worth. And then I'm going to stock my pantry. And by the end of the 7 weeks, you've only spent $49 and your pantry has grown. So, I headed to the store. This is what I got. Now, I am shopping locally. And so I'm in a small town. And the only grocery store we have here is Lowe's Supermarket. So things are elevated in price. So, what do? I go hunting. Now, I will shop at Walmart and at some point, and I will probably say, this is what I'm going to go get, and let you know before I go shopping. But the way I'm doing it here is I'm going and looking for bargains. So it's kind of a, I don't know. It's kind of a hunt and peck type thing, looking for items. And I'm only buying things that I use and things that I stock in my pantry now. So don't buy stuff you don't eat. So anyway. Alright, let's see what I bought. Now, stocking a pantry, like I said, is you buy for your pantry at today's prices, so when you need it in the future, you're not paying the future price. So, and then when you want to prepare a meal, you shop your pantry first instead of going to the store and paying a higher price. So that's the idea of having a stocked pantry, and it's a working pantry. All right, so what I got this week is 3 cans of tuna. These were 99 cents a piece. So I got 3 cans of tuna. We've been eating tuna salad here, I don't know, several times. Chicken salad and tuna salads. So I wanted to go ahead and stock up. And I got 3 cans of hot dog sauce. Now, I like this on hot dogs. I don't like the Wolf Brand chili or with beans. Or I like this hot dog sauce on my hot dogs. So I eat this quite a bit. Well, not quite a bit, but when I eat hot dogs, or Frito pies, I will open a can of this and have Frito pie. So I only bought 6 items because I wasn't sure at first if there's sales tax. And so I wanted to make sure that I didn't go over. So there was not sales tax. So this was $5.94 for this. So let me show you the receipt. So next week I'll buy 7 items. That way, I mean, I won't buy 7 items. Some items might be more than $1. I will know that it's not taxable, and if it is, then it's okay because I was under here, right? So I am going to keep all these receipts week 1, 2, 3, and then I will come back at the end of the challenge and we'll we might need to reference it for some reason. I don't know. I will put these receipts in my meal planner book, so that way I can go back and reference them if I want to or need to. So let's turn the camera around and I'll show you the receipt. All right, Lowe's Supermarket in Angel Fire. So the hot dog sauce was 99 cents and the tuna was 99 cents. So it came to a total of $5.94. So in the future, I may include some cooking with what I bought, but right now, since I'm just getting started and stocking my so-called new pantry, I am not going to have any recipes this week. But, of course, with tuna, you could have pasta salad, tuna pasta salad. You could have tuna fish sandwiches. You could have pasta, tuna casserole with like egg noodles and stuff like that. So that'll give you a sense of what I would do with the tuna. And it's good to have this on hand because this is a good protein. And then, of course, I think I already told you what I would do with this. Frito pie, hot dogs. Okay, I'm going to keep my pantry separate. So at the end of the challenge, I will be able to show you everything I bought for the $49. But this is quite a bit. All right, thank you for joining me for week 1 of the $7 a week pantry challenge. Next week, I'll have another one, so stay tuned. They come out on Friday. If you're doing the challenge with me, put down in the comments below what you bought this week and how much you spent. So I'm curious about what your prices are at your grocery store and what kind of deals you are finding. I'll see y'all next time.